Welcome to Simple Sentences, one independent clause. This is the foundation of English sentence building for beginners. A simple sentence contains one independent clause and expresses a complete thought. It has one subject or compound subject and one verb or compound verb. Simple sentences are the easiest way to share clear ideas. An independent clause is a group of words with a subject and predicate that can stand alone as a complete sentence. Subject plus predicate equals complete thought. Independent clauses don't need any other clauses to make sense. Every simple sentence needs two main parts. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. Both parts work together to create a complete idea. The dog barks. Subject is the dog, predicate is barks. She reads books every day. Subject is she, predicate is reads books every day. These basic examples show the simple sentence pattern clearly. Birds fly south. Subject is birds, predicate is fly south. The sun shines brightly. Subject is the sun, predicate is shines brightly. Notice how each example has just one complete thought. Tom and Jerry run fast. Compound subject is Tom and Jerry, predicate is run fast. Maria, John, and I love music. Compound subject is Maria, John, and I. Multiple subjects still make one independent clause. The cat jumps and runs. Subject is the cat, compound predicate is jumps and runs. We eat and sleep. Subject is we, compound predicate is eat and sleep. One subject with multiple actions stays simple. Simple sentences contain only one independent clause. They never have dependent clauses. The dog barks is simple. Although the dog barks, the cat sleeps has a dependent clause, so it's complex. Tip 1. Find the verb first by asking what happened to locate the predicate. Tip 2. Check for one complete idea that can stand alone with no dependent clauses. These tips help identify simple sentences quickly. Simple sentences contain one independent clause and express a complete thought. They always have subject plus predicate. Compound subjects or predicates are allowed, but never dependent clauses. Master these basics first.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.